Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and also happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I hope you guys have a good day. But I'm just going to get started by opening up all of these curtains and moving the TV stand so I can clean my windows. This window and then the other one right beside the TV, Thor and Valkyrie both put their noses in the window all the time. They sit there, watch the kids leave for school. They watch them get off the bus. And then George is in the other window behind the TV. So just a lot of feet prints and nose prints that just needed to be wiped up.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on?
I was just getting everything dusted. The ceiling fan, it needed it pretty badly, just like the TV stand needed dusting pretty bad, because this ceiling fan is not on my top priority to dust, so I always forget to dust this. And I also finally found my notebook, my to-do list little notebook. So I finally found that. So I want to get back to using that because I was able to stay on task, because sometimes I really have a hard time focusing on things. Like I'll start doing one thing, and then when I'm taking something to another room and I'm coming back, I see, oh, well, that needs to be done too. So then I end up going and doing that. But what keeps me focused and on track is when I am actually filming a video. When I am filming a video, it helps me keep on track and keeps me focused. So that helps. But I was just getting all of my blankets took off the couch so I can get them washed because they smell like dogs so bad. And plus, like, it has been raining for the last 13 days here. So, and we live in Louisiana, so it has been raining a lot. And then it'll rain a lot more in March. So it just, in February and March, it rains so much. But in the summer, it doesn't rain at all. Hardly. But anyways, I am just getting the couch cushions vacuumed really good. And next week, I will actually be taking all of the covers off of my couch and these pillow covers, because I want to strip them and get them really good and clean. Because I did notice, like, you cannot tell on camera that the couch cushions got like a brown tint to them from the dogs, from the dirt and the mud. Even though I clean their feet and wash their feet off, they're dogs. They still manage to bring dirt into the house. But so next week, that is my goal. But for this week, on this day, I just took a wet rag and some OxyClean in a bowl with hot water, and I just wiped all the cushions down. Because I didn't take them off to strip them, because I didn't have everything I needed, but I do now, so that is on the to-do list for next week. And plus, I've been really busy. My daughter's birthday's coming up. She's turning 15, and she wanted to have a sleepover for her birthday, so I've been trying to pick up snacks and extra air mattresses that we can get put up so they can just totally have a movie night, girls' night. So I've just been so busy trying to get all that done, trying to get the house clean. So, and yeah, it's just been a super crazy week and I am exhausted. And then this goes up on Valentine's Day, so I still gotta go and tan because I bought this really cute outfit and I am pasty as hell, so I really need to get myself tanning going.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave.
And that ottoman, I just took the lid off of to get some extra pillows out. That did not come with the couch. I bought that at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it came with two. It had like a smaller one inside of it, but that one's more like a stool. But this one's got like the little tabletop part. So, and I really like that. So, I was just getting the floors vacuumed so I can get them mopped because, oh my God, it was so overdue. The floors needed really good mopping. They needed a good vacuuming because, like I said, it has just been raining so much here, and the dirt and everything that just kept getting drug in. I was having such the hardest time keeping up with the floors. They were just getting dirty, and it felt like it was just a never ending vacuuming and mopping, and so finally they're getting deep cleaned. Well, half of the house got a good deep clean. The other half is not done yet. That is a work in progress as well.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and loud. too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say.
I was just getting this bike dusted, and I need to get all this moved away from the wall so I can get it vacuumed and mopped. And that car seat, I need to take that to the shed. The little electric heater needs to go to the shed because it is finally warming up, so we don't really need it. Because I usually use it in my bathroom because it is so cold in there. But since it's warming up now, I haven't been using it. So I brought it out here so it can get taken back out to the shed. And that car seat needs to go out. I babysit a little girl every now and then, but she is in daycare with kids her age, so I just have an extra car seat. So if she gets sick or anything, I can just go get her for her aunt.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you.
But I just got all this over here cleaned up and mopped, and it looks so much better. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it gave you guys some motivation. And I hope you guys have a fantastic Valentine's Day. And y'all be careful out there, because tomorrow is going to be crazy. But I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a fantastic weekend. And I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.